Are duplicate files taking up valuable space on your computer? Meet Softaken Duplicate Files Remover, a smart, content-based solution that detects and removes duplicates quickly and safely. Powerful features overview. Softaken Duplicate Files Remover comes packed with features. Fast scanning with multi-threaded processing. Smart grouping of identical files. Automark duplicates to save time. How duplicate detection works. The tool reads each file in small chunks. It calculates a unique hash value using MD5 or SHA-256 algorithms. Files with the same hash are grouped together as duplicates. Even if two files have different names or are in different folders, if their content is identical, Softaken will find them. Hash algorithms explained. Softaken gives you two powerful detection modes. MD5, fast and accurate for everyday duplicate detection. SHA-256, slower but ultra-secure, ideal for critical files where maximum accuracy matters. The detection process step by step. Detection is easy. 1. Select the drive or folder to scan. 2. The tool recursively searches through all subfolders. 3. You can filter files by type, size, or date. 4. It calculates hash values, compares them, and groups duplicates together. 5. Finally, results are displayed with full file details. Safe and smart deletion. Once duplicates are identified, simply select what you want to remove. Softaken ensures safe deletion. Files are sent to the recycle bin, so you can restore them anytime. If the recycle bin isn't available, the app securely deletes the files permanently. Accuracy and reliability. With content-based comparison and advanced hash algorithms, Softaken Duplicate Remover delivers exceptional accuracy, over 99.99%. It can even handle large drives, network folders, and millions of files efficiently. Free up space, speed up your system, and stay organized. With Softaken Duplicate Files Remover, the smarter way to clean your data.